Hi guys, welcome back. So FamilySearch has a new section called the Discovery section. Today I'm going to be talking about family obituaries. But if you want to learn more about any of these other sections, I will leave a link to those videos in the description box below. So how to get to this discovery page? The only way I know how is to type this /discovery after FamilySearch.org. But if you happen to know of another way, please comment below. I would love to learn how. But currently at the moment, the only way I know how to get to this page is to type that. So let's get to the family obituaries. This is a section where it will list family members' obituaries, and you can learn more about your family members and their obituaries, I guess. So let's click on this section. So here's what the page looks like. Up here at the top it says your relative is mentioned in an obituary. This may be your relative's obituary, or he or she may be mentioned in another person's obituary. I kind of looked out and my first one is actually of an ancestor and then his obituary. But if I click over using these arrows, yep, we have an ancestor whose name's Joseph Fernando, and it looks like he is mentioned in his child's obituary. Let's go back to Earl here. So we have a picture of Earl. We have Earl's name, his birth date, and his death date, his ID number for FamilySearch, view your relationship, and then kind of the beginning of the obituary. We can't click on Earl's photo, but if we click on his name, it has now brought us to Earl's personal page here on FamilySearch, and we can go through and view more information about Earl. We can't click on the date or his ID number, but we can click on View Relationship. Now it has brought up this pop-up showing you how we are related to this Earl Lindlard. Sorry for all the blurs, but I have to keep my family life private. So let's get out. And then, like I said before, it just shows you a brief summary of the obituary of Earl's. But if we want to, we can hit the View the Full Obituary. This is pretty much the obituaries. So up here at the top, I'll show you the basic information about the obituary or about Earl. And then over here on the side is an index version of the obituary, so it's just giving you all the information that happened to be about the obituary, and then everybody who is mentioned in the obituary. And then over here on the side we have the typed version of Earl's obituary. So now that I've came back to this, there's also this little check mark saying attached. I would assume most of the time these are attached. I've never found one that's not attached, but I guess if there's not one attached, there's an option of you can attach it. And down here it will tell you how to attach a record. So let's go over. So over here we have Joseph. And once again, if we click on him, it'll bring up his personal page. So here's Joseph Valdez's personal page. And then here we can learn more information about Joseph. Or we could view our relationship with Joseph. Or now we can view the obituary and figure out how he is related to this person. I'm assuming it's his child. Here's the obituary page. Up here at the top is information about Joseph. So over here on the side we have the index version of the obituary, pretty much who everybody is, how they're related, the important dates and places that happened in the obituary. And then we can see right here, yep, she was a daughter of Joseph. And then over here on the side is the typed version of her obituary. Let's go back. So if you want to view more obituaries, like I showed you earlier, you can just click on the arrows and it will show you more people's obituaries. Let's scroll down. It says, what else can you learn about obituaries? Obituaries is one of the best things that you can find to help you do family history work. That and census. Obituaries list names, date, places, parents, family members, a lot of family members. They also list like what their occupation was, what their hobbies were, and who they were as a person. So if you can find sources of obituaries, I always recommend attaching those and reading those. So it's just listing right here pretty much what I told you, what you can find in an obituary and why it's important. Then right here it says search the billions of free records here on FamilySearch. Then you can click the search records and it will bring you up to the search section in FamilySearch where you can search records. I have made a video about that and I will link that in the description box below. That is pretty much everything you need to know about the obituary section here on the discovery section of FamilySearch. So I hope this video was helpful and you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye.